Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to disable friend requests on the Xbox application using your mobile device. If you're looking to manage your Xbox social experience and prevent unwanted friend requests, follow these steps to adjust your privacy settings. First of all, launch open the Xbox application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, from your profile section, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. Under Settings, tap on Privacy. Inside Privacy, scroll down and tap on the drop-down right under Others can send you friend request. Now click on Block from the pop-up, and then once you do that, this will stop any friend request that may come along your way. After you do this, you will not receive any friend requests on your account. You can always change the setting back by going to the same menu and selecting Allow if you ever want to allow friend requests again in your account. And that's it. That's how you easily manage if you want to enable or disable friend requests on your Xbox experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.